Indicators that I use every single day, right? If you guys have seen my video about the indicators that I use for TradingView. So let's start with the most important one first is the session liquidity high and low. This one here. This is my indicator that has been coded by ASM Julian, AJ. So there's almost 8,000 people that are using this. This is the one that you're seeing on the screen that provides you and prints the blue line liquidity targets. And then they turn red when the market hits it, okay? So these are my settings. You guys can get this on my website, nexusblast.com. These are the settings. Let me just show you guys again one last time where to get it. nexusblast.com. I'm bringing the website over here. Resources and tools. And then you have the TradingView indicator. Click on that, add it to favorites, and then restart your TradingView and it'll be in there, okay? So that's the first one that I use. Then I use Fractals by Rachel T because I like to see the swing points. Swing points are the liquidity targets as well. So Fractals by Rachel T, it's this one over here. So that's the other indicator that I use. And then I'm using the Fair Value Gap indicator by Nephew Sam. There is an integrated one in my indicator, but I've always been using FVG by Nephew Sam, and I really like it. So that's the third one that I use. And then I'm also using a dynamic imbalance indicator. This one is no longer available, so I can't even show it to you because you can't download it. I've always had it since the script existed, but basically this blue and yellow area here is a dynamic balance indicator. It shows me where the fair value gap has been retested. So for example, here there's a partial retest, so there's no rebalancing of the fair value gap, which means that this fair value gap has acted upon price. So it accelerated and then it rejected price back to the upside. And this also helps me visualize inversion fair value gap. So if I didn't have this indicator, I wouldn't be able to see retrospectively where the fair value gaps were on my screen. You can't see them right now because I turned it off. And then now if I turn it on, I can see everywhere where there was an inversion fair value gap. So all the mitigated fair value gaps are still showing up with my dynamic balance indicator, imbalance indicator. So make sure that you guys are looking for one. If you are inversion fair value gap traders, this will help you keep your eye on where the fair value gaps were, because some of these fair value gaps get retested and they're still valid for a long portion of the day. So make sure that you guys have your eye on these levels. And then the last thing